Hey guys, today is Monday the 26th and we just got a package from Glossier. It's like a first impression because we haven't tried their stuff yet. So we got the gloss and also mascara.
So I honestly
oh the box looks cute.
The box is really cute.
Yeah, you look good.
It comes with a little Glossier sticker, a gift for your gifts.
Oh,
for like
that's cool.
Christmas gifts. This is really cute.
Yeah, that's cute.
And
Nice. Yeah. In the bag, it's really like cute. You can like take it to travel. So this is the Lash Slick Mascara. It's this one right here.
And this is a lip gloss. Now I have like nothing on my lips right now. So
missing someone.
And it feels like super smooth. This is glossy.
And this is the mascara right here. The little wand is like, let's see. Oh, it's like
Thin
yeah.
thin bristles. It smells like
I'm gonna try the gloss.
a marker. I don't know. By the way, I also got new products from Bath & Body Works today. I got the Snowflakes and Cashmere, which I didn't like the scent at all. And Champion Toast is a really good one. I really recommend this one. It smells like, it smells fruity. It smells like, yeah, fruity is the word. And then this one doesn't smell good at all. She tried it. She's like, oh, what does it smell like? And she like spritz it all over the room.
Yeah,
It smells bad. So I think I'm going to return this because I don't think I'll be using it.
yeah, it smells really like not my scent.
Pretty.
And the mascara, like, let me try it on the bottom.
It looks like your mouth is like dripping water or something.
Yeah.
Just got the product and this is what it looks like on our lip. I honestly really like, and it's
Me
really
too.
cute. Look. Wait, it's
Yes.
backwards.
She's like really transparent and pinky.
It's so glossy. Like with only one swipe, it's glossy. Like
yeah, you can see like our lips, super glossy. I felt that the gloss was really good. I definitely recommend if you're looking for a glossy lip gloss. Like this is for you.
I really liked it. I
Yeah.
mean, I'm more like
it feels comfortable.
I'm more like a lip balm person, not like lipstick. You know, because mainly for school I won't be wearing like a bold lipstick. So this one I'll be definitely wearing it every single day.
Yes.
I've been wanting to try this for a long time, but I never like bought it. And like
Yeah, like I have seen like YouTube videos using that and everyone looks gorgeous. Like definitely recommend you, like if you're looking for a good lip gloss, this is really good. What's up guys, today is November the 30th, which you know what that means. Tomorrow is December the 1st, so the countdown for Christmas has begun. So yeah, super excited. We're gonna put the Christmas tree, but before we do that, we have a little haul for you guys. So yeah, let's just go to the haul. Okay, so we got a package from Abercrombie and Fitch. I ordered some stuff on Black Friday. The store was completely 50% off and my stuff already came today, so
this one's mine.
yeah. She got this little like Cinderella color.
It's really pretty.
It's a turtleneck, just like the one I'm wearing, but
Yeah.
this one's from polyester.
I love turtlenecks, honestly.
Yeah.
I loved it because it's like a little waffle like knit sweater.
Yeah, it's
But
really
this is
cute.
one of my favorite colors. It's like Cinderella blue, like baby
Yeah.
blue. So
Yeah,
I
it's
got
one of my
that.
favorite colors too. Got some leggings because leggings go good with any sweater. So I got some leggings. Plain black ones. Well, these ones are really like different materials. They're like
I like them because these are leggings that you can put with like
they're more
outfits.
like thicker.
Yeah, they're thicker. It's a thicker
Yeah,
material.
and they have like this little like slipper.
3 zippers on the front.
Yeah.
It's really cute.
Got a size small, so hopefully they fit me. And yeah, they look like this on the bottom. And I just love the zipper right here. It's really cute.
Next store is Hollister.
Okay, so from Hollister, I got this like white, like creamish white.
It's a cream color.
Yeah, more cream to me. Yeah. So knit sweater. I feel it would look really cute with the leggings that I got from Abercrombie. So yeah,
I got this little plain like
black like waffle materials. Like yeah, right?
yeah. What I like is this little circle
Yeah. You can like zip it up and it looks really cute.
or down.
Yeah. And I got this little like oversized sweater. It's a gray one. I feel it would look super cute with the leggings as well.
Or like some boots.
Yeah, with some booties.
This is everything that we got from Abercrombie and
Hollister. So now the exciting part, we're gonna put the Christmas tree and we're gonna start decorating. So let's move on to that clip. Okay guys, so we're gonna put the base on the bottom and we're gonna start bringing the tree. So this one goes right here. We're just gonna separate it so it looks good.
Our dog is playing with his little...
Yeah, if you heard like something, it's our dog.
If you're growling,
Separating the little branches so it doesn't look like ugly. Guys, we did it. We put the Christmas tree by ourselves. Like, we didn't need our mom this time.
yeah.
Okay guys, so now for the best part, we're gonna light the tree up.
Okay, it's done.
The tree
It's
is
our
done.
first time doing it alone, and I think we did a good job.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we're going to continue like putting the ornaments
Decorations.
and like the little
Star.
ribbons and everything.
Yeah, so stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 2. Alright you guys, so that completes Vlogmas Day 1. And thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye guys.